In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock and unlock pages in Canva. So as here you can see, I have this presentation with two pages. So this is the first page and this is the second page in my Canva presentation. So let's say I want to log any of the pages. So in order to log any of the page, let's say the first page. So what you will need to do is simply right click onto that particular page that you want to lock. And then once you will do that, you can see this option that says lock page. So simply hover your cursor over to the lock page option, and from here you will have two options. The first one is to lock and then the another one is to lock position only. So if you click onto this lock button, you can see that the page has been locked and none of its element will be able to move freely, or neither you will be able to edit them as well. So in order to unlock this, simply right click onto this page and from here choose unlock page. Then moving on to the second option, if I will click onto the second page, you can see the same options. So you can simply hover your cursor over to the lock page and choose lock position only. If you will click here, you can see that now the position of this element in this page has been successfully locked, but you still have the access to edit the elements in this page. So in order to unlock this, the steps are the exact same. Right click over here and under the unlock, you can see that this option is currently saying lock page. So you can first lock it and then unlock it again, and this will revert these changes. So that's all for this video on locking and unlocking the pages in Canva. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful video content. Keep watching and stay curious. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.